The Igbos of the southeastern part of Nigeria, of the West African part of Africa, is said to have been, at least, in existence for the past 4,000 to 6,000 years now. But some of the cultures that the Igbos practice came to a halt, or should I say, stopped after the colonizers came to our land, but not all. Yes, you could say that we blame everything on colonization, but it was colonization that caused the Igbos to drop some of these cultures that I'm about to tell you that are in the Bible, but most Igbos do not know that it is in the Bible. Number 1 is Alobi or Aniobi. Alobi or Aniobi is not to be sold to anyone, and elders will not permit it to be sold either. But if anyone tries to sell Aniobi or Alobi, due to maybe the influence of the Westerners or the West, the person is seen as a fool and could be ostracized from the community. Now, check on 1 King chapter 21 from verse 3 and see what it says. I inherited the vineyard from my ancestors, and God forbid it that I should sell it, said Naboth. Ikuchiwani is a very great culture of the Igbos, which is whereby a man that got married to his wife dies, his brother would take up his wife as his own wife and look after his brother's wife like his own wife, marry his brother's wife and the children as well, and take them in as both his wife and his children, just to protect them. Now, take a look at it in the Bible. Deuteronomy 25 from verse 5 says, read it with me. A widow of a dead man is not to be married outside of the family. It is the duty of the dead man's brother to marry the widow. The third one is in Psalm 1, which states that a woman that is on her period is not to cook, clean, or go close to the husband's quarters because she is seen as unclean. Now let's go to the Bible and see where that is. Leviticus 15 from verse 19 to 20 says, when a woman is on her period, she remains unclean. Anything she touches or she has sat on becomes unclean. My question is, do my people know that what the Bible is saying is what we have been practicing all along in Igbo culture? Like, comment, and follow me for more. Thank you.